Today's bowl is loud, bold, and unapologetically American. I'm talking Angus beef steak, jalapeños, cheddar cheese, and hot BBQ sauce, all piled on top of thick, chewy Jiro-Style noodles. Hey everyone, I'm Nojinora. I make white, homemade Jiro-Style Ramen right here in Japan. And I'm on a mission to share it with America. I actually studied in the US years ago, and I've always loved the food, the culture, and of course the beef. So today I'm using Jiro-Style Ramen with full-on American flavors. Yeah, let's start with the noodles. I'm making 200 grams of finished noodle, super thick, super chewy. That means 150 grams of flour and 49 grams of water, including salt and kansui. When you mix the water in, take it slow. This step is all about patience. Get every bit of flour hydrated. Once the dough comes together, divide it into 4 sheets. Then it's time for my secret weapon, the vintage Ono-style noodle press. This part is called sheeting. We press the dough flat and even. Now for the best sound is ramen making, cutting the noodles. There's just something so satisfying about it. After cutting, I dust them with cornstarch so they don't stick. Then give them a good rub to add that signature Jiro-style curl. Now let's get the toppings ready, starting with garlic. It's going in the soup, on the noodles, and even on the steak. Total garlic domination. I always crush it first to bring out the aroma before chopping. The soup today is from my frozen stock, pork bones, rich and spicy. And now it's time for the meat. Usually I go with pork belly, but not today. This time it's thick cut Angus beef steak, because we are going full American. I almost went with Wagyu, but honestly, I love the clean, bold flavor of American beef. It's got that clean richness that hits just right. Back when I was studying in the US, I used to cook with beef all the time. Gyudon, sukiyaki, even bulgogi. Beef was everywhere and it was always delicious. So yeah, steak just felt right for this bowl. And of course, I'm cooking it with garlic. Because steak without garlic, not on my watch. Look at that sear, beautiful, right? All I wanna do is bite into it right now. But we are not rushing. Wrap it in foil and let the residual heat do its thing. Meanwhile, let's build the flavor base for the soup. Tare, spicy pork fat, salt, MSG, and a spoonful of garlic. Now boil the noodles 5 minutes for that perfect Jiro-style chew. The soup's rich and spicy, full of pokey depth. Everything's coming together. The steak's rested and juicy. The noodles are done. Let's put this monster together. Time for the fun part, stacking it all up. First, a mountain of bean sprouts. Then, boom! That Angus steak takes center stage. Next, hit of spicy pork fat. Adds depth, heat, and pure indulgence. Then the jalapeños, because nothing says America like a spicy kick. Garlic, of course, more is more. And finally, flood it with hot BBQ sauce. Woohoo! No holding back, this is full send. Last but definitely not least, cheddar cheese, as much as your soul can handle. And there it is, the ultimate fusion. Jiro-Style Ramen meets all American steakhouse madness. Itadakimasu. Let's go. Itadakimasu. Gotta start with the soup. Spicy, porky, and totally addictive. This hits you right in the appetite. Now the steak, covered in melted cheddar. This isn't just ramen, it's a food bomb. A beautiful, beefy mess. It's so good, I almost forget there are noodles under here, almost. Alright, let's get into the veggies for a second. This whole bowl is wide, but somehow it's balanced too. I've never had anything like this before. The richness pork, the sharp cheddar, the spicy BBQ. Japanese and American flavors fused perfectly. Honestly, this might just win over both countries. It even surprised me how well the steak worked with Jiro-style noodles. So junky, so satisfying. I'm starting to wonder if beef should replace pork. This bowl opened up something new. And from here, I want to keep exploring what Jiro-style can become with American flavor. What do you think would pair well with Jiro-style next? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to try them out. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more ramen madness from Japan. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. No Jiro, no life. Thank you.